Hey, take a look at this. These are my Whiteverse coins. They feature a simple design that symbolizes my heritage. They have a clean, elegant, and classic look. These coins are slightly bigger than the standard dollar-sized coins, measuring 40 mm in diameter. Because of their size, they are highly visible even during long-distance performances. They have a thickness of 2.5 mm and made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. And also, Whiteverse coins have a unique edge or ridge that resembles snake scales, giving you an excellent grip and preventing them from easily slipping from your hands. And because they are made from high-grade stainless steel, even if you drop them repeatedly, they won't easily scratch and get damaged, as they are designed to last and maintain their quality over time. And of course, I personally make each coin using a laser engraving process. And because this kind of process is slow and highly detailed, I can only produce about 4 to 5 coins per day, unlike hydraulic press or stamping machines that can produce 500 to 1000 pieces in a single day. White first coins are crafted individually. For this reason, you can expect white first coins to be priced a bit higher, as each piece requires time, precision, and a meticulous production process. Now I'll place the coins in a magnetic tumbler to polish them further. After that, I'll wash them once more. Alright, it's done. Take a look. So this is the beauty of laser engraving process. The coins naturally develop oxidation, so there's no need to add patina to make the design look old or classic. Such a beautiful coin, isn't it? So with each set of Whiteverse coins, you'll receive 4 coins, plus an additional blank coin. This allows you to create even more effects in your routines, such as color changes, spellbound, wild coins, and many more, just like this one. By the way, I only made 5 sets, so the people who managed to get Whiteverse Coinset are truly lucky. This was just a trial run, and if there's more interest, I might produce more in the future. So Whiteverse Coinset is $109 plus shipping. For those interested, you can message me directly, either on my Facebook or DM me on Instagram. Links in description box down below.